Welcome to a new video of the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video, let's see. Answering a question that someone asked me some time ago, as we have had the same problem because I will explain it to you. Well, he told us that he had a 2005 Citroën Zara Picasso 1600e and that the vehicle was failing him, that he felt like it was losing strength and that. Well, he put it on the computer and he got these errors: the P0409 unknown fault code and P0489 unknown fault code. Let's see, these failures in the Delphi system. This happens to us in the computer that we also have with that program. When this comes out, what it is indicating is that there is a problem with the vehicle's EGR. Okay, what you always do is disassemble it and clean it well and then reassemble it, because I would tell you 70% of the time, yes, no more, with that this problem is solved, which you notice, for example, that loss of power that is noticeable in the vehicle. It is because when this fault comes out, it comes out in the box engine breakdown, and what the EGR does, automatically, is deactivate the turbo while detecting this fault. Deactivate the turbo, of course, it shows that the vehicle is running less, so when cleaning it well, as I say, to clean the EGR, in most cases already the fault clears, you walk with the vehicle and is solved the problem. Sometimes you have to change it, okay, but I say that in most the occasions are simply that the EGR gets dirty, clogged, the gases do not circulate well. The exhaust gases inside, the recirculation, you already know about the exhaust gases, that it has to be burned again and so on, and that is why these come out failures. Okay, well, here you have this short video. If it has been useful to you, then don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.